Llama Llama Red Pajama. Not since the days of A Tale of Two Cities has such an intriguing opening line jumped off the page of a book.
Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mom.
Swims just like a fish.
Llama Llama playing trains, driving trucks and flying planes.
7 stories in 20 minutes.
Someone's at the door.
And it's running for about $14.99. It's one of the shorter ones, so that makes sense. I'll put a link below if you're interested in getting it, and you use that link, it could benefit the channel so we can make more videos like this.
Llama Llama Red Pajama.
Most of the stories are narrated by the author, Anna Dewdney. But if you're keeping score, you can see there are some other narrators also on this Tonie.
Llama Llama Time to Share. Written and read by Anna Dewdney.
Written and read by Anna Dewdney.
Written and read by Anna Dewdney.
Written and read by Anna Dewdney. Written and read by Anna Dewdney.
And stick around with us in 2025. We're going to review at least 25 Tonies. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching.